Hey guys, real quickly, I wanted to show you that I just bought this tablet cover for my new tablet that I got on my birthday about 2 weeks ago on the 19th of September. I wanted the tablet case cover so it can protect my tablet, prevent it from possibly breaking. Also, I wanted this pen gimmick so I can type up easier with it. So there it is. Yep, I'm about to open it, y'all. There's the case by itself. So right now I'll be putting in my tablet, see how it looks and how it works. There's the inside of the case for the tablet. So right now I'll have it set up and give it a try. So there it is, the case. My blue tablet on the case, and covers it up nice and safety, preventing it from breaking if I shall drop it on accident. So it's very good and useful, I think. Alright. Okay, so here it is. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Have a good day, y'all. Here's the pen gimmick. I almost forgot to record using it. It does also write like a normal pen as well. You see, so it's useful for that too, as well as for the tablet. You can search. I can use it to write and type. You see, it works. So yeah, and that's how it stands, y'all. Sits right here, and I can watch my tunes or work on it like I'm working on some stuff with my tablet, y'all.